Rashina. Where y'all at? Give y'all time to come on in.
We just came on live tonight. We just jumped on there because we got some great news. There's something really important happened tonight. Well, today. I'm sorry, today.
Get this camera right.
Yeah.
So we hadn't been live in a minute, so we thought instead of doing a video about it, we'll just jump on live. Hopefully, you guys will get this notification and be able to join us. So let's see. Let's just wait a little bit. But again, if you're joining, once you jump on, please drop in the comments to let us know that you're here, to let us know, just say, what up, how you doing, just so that we'll know. So we see some people are joining. Listen, hey, what's up? What's up, Code Keeper 3431? Glad to see you. Well, not really see you, but be online with you.
Glad to.
We are happy when you jump on. Let us know who you are, that you're here, that you're represented and present. So don't forget. All right, from Albany, GA.
All right, Georgia.
Listen, put that X in the Georgia. Listen, that's our home state as well,
And
Georgia.
And Georgia too.
So listen. We wanted to get on here to talk about the market structure bill and what happened in the Senate today. And once you get on, hit that like button. Go ahead and knock that out the way. Hit the like button. What up, Leroy Huff? Nice to see you. Marlon Goodman, 52. Nice. Thank you guys for joining. Again, we're going to be talking about this market structure, what happened in the Senate today. Have y'all heard the news about what happened?
I don't know. Have y'all heard? No, I'm just joking.
So, listen, we're going to share again. Hey, Leroy. Hey, Marlon. Hey, Code Keeper 3431. Welcome. We want to talk about what we saw. We saw that the Agriculture Committee,
yes,
they went ahead and
they passed
their section.
There's two parts of the Clarity Act, and they passed our Agricultural Committee passed theirs today. With a vote of 12 to 11. So
the Republicans voted 12, and the Democrats voted 11. Right now, don't laugh at the Democrats, right? So they said this is what they said, but what I heard was they voted no because they didn't want some of the things that were not present in the bill. They wanted something for ethics to be in the bill. They wanted, like for government officials to not be able to profit off of or take profit off of rules and regulations they were putting in place. So they said because that wasn't in there. Why you laughing?
I ain't saying
What's up, my 2 cents? 935. Thank you for joining us. Listen, so they said they didn't want them to be able to profit off of it. I think that's okay. What do y'all think? I think, hey, kind of like insider trading, right? A little bit, right?
Yeah, but I'm not going to speak on that part.
Okay.
So,
I sound like you got a problem with it.
Yeah, I do have a problem with it.
Hold up, my 2 cents. The king of blocks, king of Roblox.
Hello,
hi,
hey,
doing? Thank you for jumping on.
What's up, my 2 cents? I love the hearts.
Listen, so y'all hit that like button when y'all join. So listen, when like I told you, the Republicans, they said no. They wanted some ethics language in the bill, so that wasn't present. They wanted some tighter regulations for consumer protections regarding DeFi and scams and stuff like that. So that's why they said no. And the Republicans, I guess they say it didn't matter. They wanted it passed.
Well, I'm gonna look at this. I'm gonna say this part. There's another part that's supposed to pass as well, but however, that part got postponed. I think last week. However, Trump is actually meeting with the Brad Garland House, Brian Armstrong, Kraken. I think Fidelity.
Okay, listen, hold on. Somebody's in the chat doing this. Stop acting crazy in the chat. The king of Roblox, come on now. Stop spamming the chat. Are you guys gay? Stop asking that question. Stop spamming the chat. Okay, so go ahead. We're not going to respond to that, so you can stop. Go ahead with that. All right?
But anyway, Trump is meeting with them to talk about the banking part of the Clarity Act, and that's the other part that have there not been, I guess, actually it have now passed. So last week they actually canceled that bill, their voting bill. So this part is very important because this is to finalize the whole thing. Mm-hmm. So once this part gets done, and with the agriculture bill part is already passed, so
Yes.
this is going to bring in the movement to they'll take this part now and they take it to the
Senate Banking Committee.
The Senate Banking Committee, and then now they'll vote on it to pass the bill, and once they pass that bill, then it goes to President Trump's desk.
Well, no. So wait. The full Senate has to pass it first. So once the Senate Banking Committee go ahead and gets their part passed, right? Mm-hmm. So the Agriculture Committee did its part. The Senate Banking Committee is next. They're up next. Mm-hmm. And you said President Trump is meeting with them.
They're meeting with them.
And
today.
then once they do it, once they approve it, mm-hmm. then it goes to the full Senate for a vote.
Or the House.
I thought it was a full Senate. Okay,
it's
listen.
The House. It got to go to the House.
So the 4 votes, so it got to be voted on. That's the point. So it has to be voted on. Then after it's voted on, then it
coming to President Trump, and he signed into law.
But what I was going to say is that has to get merged with the Clarity Act that's already passed.
Yeah.
So that part is already passed. They're going to put those 2 pieces together.
Yeah, but what I'm trying to get to is we don't have much longer now.
Not much longer now.
I'm sure if you're aware of, you may not be aware of, that there are, it's a possibility, January the 31st, mm-hmm. we may have another government shutdown. Mm-hmm. And not saying we will, but mm-hmm. we may. And I don't think now, because if they pass one of the part, I don't think this is going to be a problem or issue. They may be. If they don't have a shutdown, that'd be great. Mm-hmm. If they do, I think it'll be short.
Yes.
No more than 10 days, probably 1 to 10 days. And, everything is looking real good now. Mm-hmm. I mean, we had our first almost 30 days. As tomorrow be 30 days of the year. And we know January had 31 days. So once all these things start rubbling in play, it's going to move fast, y'all. So it's going to move fast. So
let me jump in the chat. So we have some questions in the chat. So someone said, do we answer the chat? Yes, we do when it makes sense. So we're not going to answer silliness and foolishness. So I'm going to put that out there. But yes, we do answer the chat. So my 2 cents. Someone said.
You said, are they going to make allowed to make?
I know. I'm skeptic. I'm sorry. So mastering my inner source says, are they going to allow us to make yield? That is what we talked about before. My inner source. We said that remember they were going to have a markup before, and Coinbase went to the markup. Was represented there at the markup of the market structure bill, and they remember that stalled because Coinbase did not want to move forward. The CEO, was Brian Armstrong? Did not want to move forward because he said that banks were trying to stop the crypto companies from offering yield on stablecoins.
Correct.
And they didn't like that because that was infringing on their territory. Mm-hmm. And they felt like if they allow stablecoin issuers to issue yield, it would take all the deposits away from banks. And then they said, okay, if it takes deposits from banks, we won't be able to offer mortgage loans. We won't be able to offer loans to people. So Brian Armstrong came back and said, well, it doesn't matter if you're not able to do it, but open up that ability to the crypto companies because we can offer loans too. You just have competition.
See, what it is, I think Brian Armstrong was kind of upset because the banks will be benefiting and Coinbase is not a bank. However, we already know Ripple is actually, will be a bank, so it wouldn't affect them. They could be able to offer the yield on RLUSD. Mm-hmm. So Brian Armstrong is connected with USDC. So that's what part he's kind of getting upset because he won't make some money off of this. Mm-hmm. So now, like I say, Trump is meeting with him and Brad Garland House and some other people. to talk about the banking committee.
Right.
So it's a possibility that we will make money off the yield, but we just had to see after this conversation what's going to be next.
And I don't think that I think from my perspective, I think that they should allow the crypto. Well, right now they are. You know, crypto, you can earn yield right now on your crypto with rewards, through rewards. And that's the way they say they want to do it, through rewards. Mm-hmm. So I think that they should be allowed to run their business as they run their business and offer consumers yield, another way to make interest on your assets. I think that's fair. Mm-hmm. So let's see what we got in the chat. Just got out of the shower, listening to you guys. This is my 2 cents. Love the show. Hope everybody bought the dip today. You would have had 7% or more return on your money. All love and respect. Yes, listen,
yeah, that thing dropped. I don't think nobody was expected to go down that low.
But it's all good. It's all good because
no, that's a good.
It is because who wants to buy high? We want to buy cheap, right? Buy low and sell high, right? Mm-hmm. So that's the way you make money, right? So let's see. Leroy Huff, he says, can this get done before the shutdown? We hope so.
That's a good question. We got 2 days, Leroy. We shall see.
We hope so. So Kevin Jackson, 5336, please tell my brother and sister you haven't bought into Trump's corruption. Please tell my brothers and sisters you haven't bought into Trump's corruption. We don't buy into nobody's corruption.
I'm just repeating what they're planning on doing.
Listen,
yeah, I don't follow.
We don't follow anybody's corruption. Listen.
Yeah, so I do a lot of research and reading to make sure that the facts that I know is correct.
And this is also just forward. It's like we say, our channel is about truth, clarity, and legacy, and that's what we stand on. So let's go. Jude 21. Hello, I would like to offer you a program that teaches beginners on how to trade and what they should trade their coins on. Info yourself. Thank you. Okay, Jude. I thank you so much for your offering. I already know how to trade, but I thank you so much for sharing that. Kevin Jackson, they don't engage with us people. Yeah, who is he talking? The us? Are you talking about we're not engaging? That's not true. If you're saying that about us, I'm not sure. But we like to engage, so I would go live. So I hope I'm not sure if I got that comment, Kevin Jackson. Kelvin Jackson. Maybe I misunderstood you.
Maybe you can explain more on what you were saying.
Master my inner source. Okay, thank you. You're quite welcome. What's up, Alex? What's up? I saw our Patreon fam jumping in here. Thank you so much, Alex. We appreciate it. Happy Thursday. The Daniel Sporting Light 55851. So we wanted to jump on here and tell you guys what we heard about the market structure. What's next? And like we just told you, what's next. Part 2, Senate Banking Committee got to do their thing, right?
Yeah.
So that's part 2. We got through hurdle 1. We need to get through the next one.
Yeah.
Right. So after we get through the next one, it is on.
And y'all got to remember this too. Once all the banks has been waiting for the Clarity Act to pass because they cannot do anything right now. They have to have some type of regulation to move forward. And as soon as this Clarity Act gets signed into law, the institutions are coming quick in. They don't have much time in this, And if a lot of people have been watching, we already know gold is at $5,600.
Wow.
And silver's at $110, $115, maybe give or take. But that means that the dollar, our fiat, is losing ground.
And I just did a video talking about about the dollar, and about how it has steady declining about that. So, and that's why people, you know what? It wasn't the video, y'all. We have a weekly newsletter, and we put that in our video that we posted today. What is tokenization? If you haven't signed up for our weekly newsletter, I just went into a little bit more detail about what's happening with the dollar versus crypto. And if you're not a part of that weekly newsletter, you should get it. It's free. We send it to you once a week. and it just has 3 sections. One thing that is happening, one thing we think you need to be aware of, and then sums it up at the end. So it's short and sweet.
It's free.
And it's free. And we do research like we do for all of our videos. We come on here and we want to make sure you guys have clarity and understand. And we're not trying to influence you either way. We just want you to know the information and be good with it so you can make wise decisions. All right, so let's look at some of the comments. My 2 cents. I'm so happy you guys are here right now. You don't even understand what's coming for us, and you're exactly where God wants you to. Listen, you too.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you
Yeah.
guys. We appreciate you guys. We go hard for y'all. We go hard for y'all in this
do.
community. We do. We go hard for y'all, and we want you to know that we are here to give you good information. Good information. All right, Kimberly Blake. What's up, Kimberly? Another one of our DC 828 Patreon family members.
Good evening.
Nice to see you, assistant. I hope you guys are having a great evening. Alex, anybody who says they're not engaging doesn't know this channel. Exactly. Exactly. I'm like, because we all about the people.
Yeah.
We all about the people.
You got that right.
Oh, listen, my 2 cents, exactly, Kimberly. I just watched the video. Great, Kimberly.
Thank you, Kimberly.
And if you see, guys, we want to let you know we're putting out a lot more foundational videos because we feel like a lot of people don't have a good foundation in the crypto space. And it keeps them from moving forward, and it keeps them from taking advantage of an asset, and at least knowing about the asset. So we're going to be doing some more foundational videos. So if you see that, we'll still be doing news and stuff like that too. But if you see some videos and you're like, oh, that's kind of beginner, it's because there are people that are still at the beginning stage. And we want to make sure that they have a place to get good information where we ain't talking over your heads, and we're making sure it's relatable to you.
Right.
Let's see, Leroy Huff, in New York Stock Exchange already tokenizing stocks. Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Listen, in my video today, or not my video, honey, sorry, our video today, we are a couple. So we talked about tokenization, and we gave an example about St. Regis, the hotel. Have y'all heard that hotel in Aspen? So in 2018, because they wanted to raise money, they tokenized that hotel. Look it up. They tokenized that hotel, and they were able to raise $18 million from putting that hotel in digital pieces and allowing people to buy it in digital pieces.
That's what's coming.
So yes, if you don't know what tokenization is or how you can benefit or how or what it is and either for you or not for you, watch that video. We just put it out today. Okay. Jude 21, I think you misunderstood my question. I'm a beginner and I was trying to find a course to teach me how to trade and what I should trade my coins into. Do you have a course for this? Okay, you know what, Jude 21, thank you for letting us know and clarifying your question. Far as trading crypto, I don't trade crypto like I buy it for a long term, but that's something I want to get into. I trade stocks, equities, that's what I trade. So, but the way I trade, it's applicable to all types of assets. So, I may do a course on that because you have to understand how to read charts and stuff like that, and read candlesticks and things of that nature, looking at supply and, support and resistance, looking at all that and being able to understand when to buy, when to sell. So I can look into doing something like that. If you guys want that, put more in the chat. Let us know. We can help you with learning that. Again, I'm not gonna be telling you what to buy because we don't give financial advice, but we can help you with learning more about it. So let us know if you want more of that. My 2 cents, hearts. Thank you so much. Someone says, "Are we Amish?" No.
No, we're not Amish.
We're not Amish.
That's funny.
Oh, that's okay.
Good laugh.
I guess so. We're not Amish, but I don't know how how that could. Do we look like that? Maybe that be Amish. Maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe we do. Hey, no. And if we do, okay, no worries. All right. My 2 cents. Yes. King Gold Dust. Love that handle. Hello, what's up? My 2 cent, dollar cost averaging. Right.
That's right.
Like, do y'all know what that is? Dollar cost averaging. Listen, again, that's a good investment strategy. Also, that's a way to invest by dollar cost averaging. So Again, we can explain those terms if you guys are interested, but we don't want to make a video if that's not something that you're interested in. We got one person that said they want to know. So if you want to know about that, even if you see us on a replay, hit us in the comments, let us know, respond, let us know, and we will work on a video to teach more about reading charts and about how to get in, to how to evaluate support, how to evaluate resistance when trading.
Right.
Okay? All right, so we hope that you listen. I would like to do June 21. Thank you. I would like to do I would like to set a sale order. Do you know I can get training for a sale order? You need to learn how to both buy and sell. So unless you already got assets that you just holding, that you waiting to sell. Most platforms, if you just want to know how to sell, it's pretty easy to just hit the sell button on, like, Robinhood or something like that. I don't know what platform that you have or whatever, but I would think you would want to know both sides of the transaction. Hopefully you would like to know. I'm not sure what your situation is, so again.
Also would like to help.
Also, I'd like to help with knowing what to sell my coins into. I'm not getting that one. Sell my coins. Are you meaning what platform to use to sell your coins? That's Jude 21. My 2 cents. Whenever you just buy a little bit every day, I have 4 or 5 cryptos that I buy $5 a day, and every day, 7 days a week. Okay, so that's the dollar. That's the dollar cost averaging that he was talking about. That my 2 cents was talking about. That's what he's doing. Dollar cost averaging. Exactly what his comment says.
That's smart. And
on Coinbase, that my 2 cents says.
Has a lot of things that they have a lot of trading. They have a lot of buying and selling on Coinbase. So if you are interested in that, I would say go ahead and do your research on Coinbase and take it from there. It give you all the information you need. You can go Google Coinbase and it give you all the history, what they do, what they have to offer. So that should be able to help you. You said with your selling your coins and anything like that.
Yes. So listen, we appreciate you guys. We thank you so much for jumping on and hanging with us. We appreciate you being part of the Digital Collective 828. Please like, share, and comment. It really does help our channel. Again, we are here for the community. We're here to help you to win, so that as we win, so we want all of us to win together. And let us know on some of the topics that you want to hear about. We heard about one about the trading. So if you got more things you want to hear about, let us know. You can set up recurring buys daily, weekly, or monthly. Yep, you can. Yep, trading platforms are very, very user friendly. Well, once you get to know them, like I personally used it. I'm not endorsing this platform. I'm not endorsing it, but I have used Thinkorswim. And I've used TradeStation too. So those 2 platforms. I don't think you can trade crypto on TradeStation though.
No.
I'm not sure about Thinkorswim, but once you
stocks. It's more stocks.
Okay, but anyway, if you I forgot what I was saying. I forgot what I was saying. This isn't a sprint; it's a marathon. We're gonna do great. We're gonna do a great video. You have a best night. You too. I'm wondering if I can sell my own Shiba. What coin should I get for that when I sell? Thank you for your time, sister. Listen, Jude, we will help you as much as we can in our comments. We'll let you know. We'll look into your questions and get back with you in the comments, okay?
Yeah.
Shiba. I mean not Shiba, but Jude 21. Y'all have a great night. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, X in that comment, X in the chat if you stayed to the end with us. We appreciate you guys. Many blessings and much love. Thank you.
You're welcome.